Just add coarse salt to boiling water, and you'll never have this problem in your house again. After discovering what it's for, you'll never waste money on products that don't work again. And for this simple tip, start by filling a pot with water. Then, turn on the heat and wait for the water to start boiling. As soon as the water reaches a boil, add an amount of coarse salt, about the equivalent of 1 cup. Next, stir well until the salt dissolves a little. I'm sure you'll be surprised by the results of this tip. Because besides being practical, it's very simple and easy to do. And it uses just a few ingredients that you probably already have at home. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And the one I'm using is white vinegar, which is an amazing product for cleaning since it has disinfectant and antibacterial properties. Now, also add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. It can be any brand you prefer. Dish soap is great because it helps break down grease and makes it easier to remove heavier dirt. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Add it slowly to avoid spilling. Then, stir one last time. Baking soda is another powerful ally for daily cleaning. It's an excellent degreaser and also neutralizes bad odors. Besides that, it's very effective at removing stains and whitening surfaces, which makes it ideal for cleaning floors and walls. After mixing well, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool down. Next, transfer the entire contents to a container that makes it easy to apply. Here, I'm using a bottle, but you can also use a spray bottle or any container you prefer. And use a funnel to avoid waste. After transferring the entire mixture, finish by making a small hole in the lid. And I imagine you're curious now, wondering what this is for. What I have in my hands is a powerful cleaner for dirty floors and walls. If you have a floor or wall that's all dirty and stained, this mixture will leave everything clean. Just apply it directly where you want to clean. Whether it's mold, moisture, mildew, or any dirt that's bothering you. Then just scrub. And without much effort, all the dirt will go away. This homemade product is very powerful and will definitely make your daily routine easier. And the best part is, it goes a long way. Now you don't have to buy those expensive products at the store anymore, which often don't work and can be harmful to your health. That was today's video. I hope you liked it. Bye, and see you soon.